your county has some F-150 Lightnings, some EVs in service. How many do you have? How long have you had them, and who's using them?
Sure. So right now we have 5 EV F-150 Lightnings. They are distributed to multiple work groups, including utilities, public safety, parks and natural resources, property management, and then we also have one here in the state.
How long have you had them out there?
So they are coming up on a year, a little over 11 months now.
Okay, so that's a pretty decent sample size. What are the drivers they're assigned to saying about them?
So what we're getting, everybody that gets assigned to them loves them. They love how quiet they are. They love how efficient they are. They love that they're doing their part to protect our environment. And it's been very successful. We have got nothing but good news from them. We spent a lot of time networking with the other departments and kind of making sure we fit the application for the vehicle, because there are some applications that vehicle just is not going to work. You have to have a fossil fuel type vehicle in there. So once we got that determined, and then we realized what we were going to be able to get in a supply chain, we confirmed with the work groups and said, hey, this is what we're looking at. Do you agree? We got their buy-in, and then we proceeded with acquisition.
I'm sure you're tracking things. How are you tracking the fuel savings so far?
So right now, until we get a full year, we will take that class of truck at 1 year, and we're going to compare it to the identical class in a fossil fuel setup. And then we're going to take our electric cost, which we know what it is. It tells us how much it takes to charge the battery up. And that is really nice actually it's done right through the vehicle in the Ford app. We can download directly how much energy it takes to charge. We're going to calculate a cost per mile on energy usage, and then we'll take the class on the fossil fuel, ICE, internal combustion engine. We'll look at the ICE version of that truck, and then we'll compare the two, and then we can look at our cost per mile. Preliminary right now, it's substantially less, but we do also have to account for the additional acquisition cost of the vehicle because they do cost more. We included the price of the actual charging unit into the price of the truck, so that is also in there too, and that's going to give us a baseline, and we're going to be able to see where we're at.